Welcome woodpeckers, I'm Martin Jensen and today we are doing a little quarantine workshop. You can do this with your kids, but what you should do first is bring your kids out into the woods, bring a saw or bring a cutter like this, and then bring home some different sized pieces of wood. Bring some branches for legs and arms, and yeah, bring them with you home and cut them at home. I'm gonna make a big wood stick family, maybe 2 grown-ups, 2 kids, 3 kids, I don't know, maybe some animals. You'll get to see it. All right, stick with us. I sort out that this can be a wife and this can be a dad and this could be a little kid, could be a bigger kid, and I've got some feet for them, these dices, and that's my plan. But this one here will become some, I don't know, a cow or something. A cow, we can call it. Like this. Moo. Can you see the resemblance? Moo, moo. This more. This looks like a overgrown dachs. You know, a dog. They're called dachs in Norway. Like, you know, the sausage dog. Awesome, huge one. So that's one. Woo, woo. And you know, for kids, this is actually, you don't need to glue it because it'll be funny for them to swivel the things and arms will fall off. And but yeah, well, or legs. The legs you should glue on, but if they get to swivel this thing, they'll probably think that is fun. So, a dog, everybody, or a cow. Now it's got a tail. Woof, woof, or moo moo. Next piece, a bit big. Oh, we can make that. Is this his head? Like this or like this? I don't know. Yeah, he's dad. He's got a long head. Long-headed dad. Okay. Or man. X on the middle, bring your hammer in, and you have two pieces, two legs, no, 2 feet. Yeah, so here we are with the stick dog and the stick man. It's a very interesting, nice project to do with your kids during these quarantine days. Bring them out to the woods or something, bring home some branches, cut it, work on their woodworking skills. You need the best thing about this is that everybody can do it, because I don't know anybody who doesn't have a drill, which is the most expensive tool. And you know, a saw, you'll get far away with only a saw. And that's really what you need. But in order to save some time, it's nice to have these cutters too, and yeah, a knife. But everybody's got a knife. You got one in your kitchen if you're making food. So I hope you're safe and happy, and enjoy creating with your kids. Adios.